Signal versus noise, as Steve Jobs would say. And this is what it's really about, isn't it? You have to dial down the noise to silence, to be in tune, to be in the moment completely. Static noise gets in the way of the potency and range of our signal. Just like your phone data or a Wi-Fi, the less bars you have, the weaker your signal will be. Your speed will decrease significantly, and you will have a harder time staying connected to the internet. This is analogical to our concentration level, which represents the signals that connects us to our full potential. And the higher our concentration level is, the greater our signal, the more connected we are to the path that leads to the accomplishments of our life's missions, purpose, and the faster we are able to achieve our goals and dreams. We also have to be well prepared and bold to achieve success. Concentration is the fuel, while these are like the engine compartments, the components. Now, what does it take to be bold? It takes self-confidence, which is built by competence. One of the most important words in the dictionary, competence. It is the currency of success. Getting fitter, getting stronger, getting smarter, getting better, working on your personal development, improving your traits and abilities, acquiring new skill sets. These increases your self-worth, making you more self-assured, resulting in you becoming courageous and bold. And you find that these are interconnected to preparation, which requires us to learn, reading, researching, experimenting, engaging in informative conversations, listening attentively, actively, discerning the truth, being an avid observer. All of these things combine and revise, prepare us for the challenges of life and the ability to seize the opportunities for our goals and dreams. We're all byproducts of our mental thought factory. Whatever we think about is produced in the physical world. If you manufacture negative thoughts, then you will produce negative situations, circumstances. If you manufacture positive thoughts, then you will produce the fruits, the accomplishments of great things. It just requires of us to apply the dedication. Maybe in the next world we can get whatever we wish for without any effort. It just magically appear before us. But in this world, we have to apply the efforts diligently to realize our dreams of success, happiness, wealth, and enterprise. If you wish to eat your sumptuous cake, which in this case represents fulfillment, if you wish to devour it savoringly, delightfully, then you must first have it. You must first go through the process of making it, the efforts of gathering all the right ingredients, mixing those ingredients skillfully, artfully, and baking it for the sufficient time. All of these things are required. The same holds and goes for success, as in research and development, personal development that we were discussing earlier, books on productivity, discipline, skills, finance, science, etc. These are some of the mandatory ingredients for fulfillment, success. Only by the application of them can you be delighted in the presentation and consumption of your life's cake.